depending on which plan you're subscribed to, this basically gives you, I think the easiest way to put it is a kind of like a website out of the box. So traditionally, if you're going to get a website, you would have to go and get your own domain, and then you would then host it somewhere and then build it. Most of the time now, I mean, back in the day, I remember you'd have to hire a designer to actually do it, and it would be pretty expensive and go back and forth, and you're basically building it from scratch. Nowadays, almost every domain, or there's so many tools now to where you basically can use kind of a template, or there's AI tools that basically build from text to build websites kind of over in 30 seconds now. And so it's a lot easier, but it is still a lot of work. This one is basically just kind of an out of the box website that's provided to you as a value add to our service. And so if I come over here, I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this. I just like to point this out because we have had some advisors and agents had pretty good success in utilizing this, where basically if I come over here, you can see I can scroll down. This is kind of the content within the site. On this left section, this is where I can make adjustments. So if I go to website settings, this will go to the different pages that I can adjust. And then below is where I can custom configure or add my own information in. So like in this case, when it goes like contact information, obviously I'm going to put my own contact information, and then I can have all of my social links if I have those. And that'll pop up on it so they can click on it. If I go into advanced, this is going to be kind of more on the HTML tracking code. If you don't know about that, not a big deal. It's been designed for Facebook as well, so you can have Facebook. We have a lot of people that are utilizing Facebook for lead gen. But this is basically just, you can go into here and you can custom configure what you're going to show. See, I have my product deck that comes from my custom deck that I created. So I'm going to only show obviously products that I'm contracted with that I can show. But again, this is really useful because lots of times you have to do this on your own, or you may have it depending on kind of the agency you're working with, and it's provided to you. But this is basically just there to utilize, and it's just a matter of adding your information, making some tweaks, and then it's basically live and ready to go. I mean, if you get one deal from it in a year, it's probably going to pay off by having it. And so when it comes to getting leads, it's a numbers game. So the more you can get yourself out there, that's great. Whether you actually do like pay-per-click marketing with this, or post this on like social media and even do social media marketing, this is just basically a good spot to put it.